Meter communication error. When the meter communication is abnormal, the management system may report the 2067 faulty power collector alarm, or the meter cannot be connected during initial commissioning. There are 5 possible causes for abnormal meter communication. Check the RS485 communications cable. Check whether the communication parameters of the meter are consistent with the RS485 configuration of the device. If not, set the communication address, baud rate, data bit, and parity bit to be the same as those for the master inverter. Check whether the communications cable is a shielded twisted pair, the shield ground cable is correctly connected, and the communications cable is routed separately from the power cable. Check whether the power supply to the power meter is abnormal due to a power grid failure. Check the meter model setting. If the fault persists, contact technical support to replace the device with a spare part. If the fault persists, contact technical support to replace the device with a spare part.